So you've made your first design and you're looking for a way to show it to the world and tell everybody that yeah, you're now a UI designer or a UX designer, but you don't know how to, because you check online and you see all these cool mockups of apps and websites and you're like, when will mine be like this? Look no further. You came to the right place. There are three ways of creating a mockup. It's either you use the beginner's way, the intermediate way, or the professional way. Don't get me wrong. It's not necessary to use the professional way or it's not necessary to use the beginner's way. Different mockup have different type of needs, you understand? For instance, this and this mockup, they're awesome, but they use a beginner's way to do it. So it's not necessary. Don't beat yourself up about that if you're getting so worried. Yeah. Now that that's said, the beginner's mockup is just using rounded corners and displaying it with a bunch of photos and just making the page beautiful. That's all. Just simple. Just using rounded corners of your, nothing complex, of your design. Simple. The intermediate way. This is the use of plugins like Mockups, Clay Mockup, and stuff like that, or secondary sites like Smart Mockups. I'll leave a link in the description for those websites in case you need them. There are countless numbers of plugins for mockup on Figma. But the problem about these mockups is that you won't have full control over them. You won't have control of the background. They're not like SVG formats that you can just edit. No, you can't do that. Now that leads me to the professional way of mocking up your design. The use of editing softwares like Photoshop or Blender. Now, that's out of my level. I don't know how to do that, but I know people who know how to do that and it's crazy. You can create mad 3D mockup from scratch, but in the intermediate way, you can find secondary sites that can give you nice mockups that look 3D-ish. But the problem is still, you won't be able to control it. You won't be able to control your mockup. You can't edit it like I said before. But in this professional way, you can control every freaking part of it, and it's gonna be crazy. But it needs a lot more work to learn it and to practice it and to use it. So that's the end. Now you know how to mock up. If you want a tutorial video on how to use the beginner's mockup or how to use the intermediate mockup, just leave it in the comments below. And yeah, I think that's all.